Do you want to know how you can log in to your Roundpoint Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Roundpoint Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar and then search for Roundpoint Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this site where you can see the sign in option on the top right hand corner, and if you scroll down you can see the sign in here too. Go ahead and click sign in and you will be headed to the official login portal of Roundpoint Mortgage Servicing. Go ahead and write down your Roundpoint Mortgage username and the password associated with your account. Now click I agree to the user terms and privacy policy and then click login. This way you can log in to your Roundpoint Mortgage account. You can also hide or unhide the password anytime, and you can click remember my username. If you want to read about the user terms and privacy policy of Roundpoint Mortgage, go ahead and click these links. If you want to create a Roundpoint Mortgage account, click register your account now. If you have forgotten your username or password, go to these links and you can retrieve back your account or recover your password quite easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your Roundpoint Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.